Okay, MMA, you guys made it to the last video for your not music video, for your media remix project. So this is the video that's going to show you how to actually download your final video project as an MP4 video file and to submit it to Google Classroom for credit. This is an important step because instead of sending me just the link, I need your actual video file. And so the way to do that is, first of all, before you export, you want to make sure you have all the required elements of your project. So go ahead and watch through your trailer one more time. Make sure you have title cards, make sure you have transitions, you fade in at the beginning of the project, you fade out at the end. Make sure you have a soundtrack, maybe you have some special effect sounds, maybe you've recorded voiceover. You should have 10 video clips. Each one should be under 10 seconds long, and everything should match the genre that you selected to tell the story of your fake movie. So go ahead, watch through it. It should be under 2 minutes and yeah, no longer than 2.5 minutes. Okay, so you're ready to go. What you do is you come up to this button. It says finish in the top right corner, this blue button. And what's going to happen is you're going to export your movie trailer. So first things first, make sure you have a title. It should say movie trailer or the name of your movie if you gave it a fake title, and then your name, okay, so that I know whose it is. You can also select your thumbnail, which is like the still image that appears on the video file when we see your video project. Otherwise, you can just keep it default as the black screen. So what you're going to do is you are going to make sure that this is selected. You're exporting a video, and you can keep it standard resolution, SD, because we're not working in HD right now. This footage is all standard def. So for your destination, I want you to select this Google Drive icon. It looks like that triangle. Make sure it's in blue. That's how you know it's highlighted. And then you're going to click export. Now, your video is in this queue. It's going to take a little while. It's going to be rendering. It has to process all your special effects that you added, any transitions. It has to go through and just make sure it's processing every step of the video. So it will tell you about how long that's going to take. And actually right here up top, you can see how long your video is. So my movie trailer is 45 seconds. It's a little short, but I'll accept it just because. But anyways, you're going to need to wait until this processes. It's going to take a little while. When you finish, you're going to get an email that says your video is ready. So you can either just step away, keep this tab open, make sure that you don't close it so that the whole video has time to process. And just keep giving it a minute, and I'm going to wait here till it finishes because I want to show you the next step that is supposed to happen. So this is a good time to get a drink of water, text your friends, listen to a song, look up a funny joke to tell your teacher. Let's see, 100 funny jokes for okay, usually this queuing process takes about 2 minutes, so just be patient. It should tell you how long it takes to render. And I'm going to go check my email and see if I got a link. Okay, so here we go. Once your video has been finished, you'll get an email. It'll look like this. Your WeVideo export is finished and ready to view. So you can click on it and then click on the link. And this is your actual video file. Now, I do not want the link to your video. I need your actual complete MP4 video file submitted in Google Classroom. So there's a couple options. I think you can actually go directly to Google Classroom with this first button, or preferably so that you also have a copy for your own future profile. If you want to make website of all your work that you've done this year, you can click download. Download it as the standard resolution file. That's going to drop into your downloads folder. So if you look in your downloads folder, mine's a little different because I'm on a Mac, it's going to say MP4 file. So that's where you've downloaded it. This is the link that you want to upload into Google Classroom. So then you would just go to Google Classroom, you'd select the genre unit, you'd select movie trailer remix project, and then turn in. This is where you'd hit that, and you'd either select it from your downloads folder or from your Google Drive, because it should be in your Google Drive as well. If you go into Google Drive now, you get to that by clicking on these like little grid buttons, click on Google Drive. You can see that WeVideo automatically starts a folder for you once you've made a video. So if you open that up, your MP4 video files are going to be in there. Okay, so that's how you go about downloading your file. Everything should be ready to go. And good luck. I can't wait to see it.